Larko. Hope you all are doing well. This is Sanasi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So again I'm with my new video. So today I'm unboxing my new smartwatch.
That I don't sleep enough without you, and I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
It clap when she walk, clap when she walk, it clap when she walk.
To start this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon. Oh, where is my smartwatch? Oh wow! Let's unbox it. Wow! Wow! Pink color. So here is my new smartwatch. Let's open it. और इसके साथ है ये मैग्नेट चार्जर. वेट अ मिनट. मैग्नेट चार्जर. इसको मैं पूरा सेट करके फिर आपको दिखाती हूँ. तब तक आप ये वाली वीडियो एंजॉय करें. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care and bye bye.